There are two main reasons why your first deal is so difficult, right? Number one, because you don't have any money, or you don't feel comfortable committing to the money, right? So there's two different reasons. You don't have any money, or you have a lack of commitment to the money. So for those of us who've been in this business for a while, we know how it works. You put out $500, no calls, no deals. Put out another $500, couple calls, no deals. Put out another $500, few more calls, no deals. Put out another $500, now you're $2,000 out, you get a deal, you get in a contract, flip it to somebody, you make $5,000. Dang, I spent $2,000 and made $5,000. How many of y'all in here, if you could spend $2,000 and make $5,000, would do it? How many of y'all? Everybody? Oh, only 8 of you. Great. The rest of you, you need to leave. You're in the wrong room. You're in the wrong seminar, okay? Because you should do it. If I told you there's a vending machine out there, right, that every time you put $2 in it, it spits out 5 back, y'all be sitting out there nonstop, feeding money into that thing, right? So if you could spend 2 and get 5, you do it. Then you do the next deal and the next deal. You understand the flow. You understand the investment, the putting it out. But when you're brand new, you have a lack of not just money, right, sometimes, but you have a lack of commitment to the money. So you and your spouse, you sit down like, I'm going to carve out some money in the budget. We're going to do this real estate thing. And you put $500, $300 to $500 out there, don't get any calls. Put $300, $500 out there, don't get any calls. Put $300, $500 out there, you don't get any deals. You go, oh crap, we got to stop this now. Right? We're already out $1,500. We're going to go broke. There's no way this isn't working for us, right? And that's how it works. You many times will pull back, right before the deal was going to come. But there's a lack of commitment to the investment, knowing there's going to be a return. Those of us that have been in the business, we know. You put the money out, you put out the money, you get the deal, right? Same thing in the realtor world. Or if you do marketing, you do advertising, you get the money. You reap you sow seeds, you get the harvest, right? You understand that when you've been into it. But if you lack that kind of clarity about how that works, you get trepidation, right? And then you don't have the money. When you've done a deal, when you've done that first deal, you've overcome that lack of commitment to the money, right? And you've also now overcome the lack of money. You've got a deal and you've got money. If you take all that and spend it on a bunch of stuff, which I've seen people do, it's the cardinal sin, right? I know you got a lot of pressures. I know you had a lot of bills to pay. I know you had a lot of stuff to catch up on. Don't spend all that money. That is your seed. That is the thing. You got to go plant again to get another. Pay the thing off, or the debt off, or the big challenge off. Third, fifth, 10th deal. Not on the first one, right? And we also we love to tell you to celebrate, right? Every deal you do, you should celebrate. But I've seen people, they do one deal, show with a brand new truck and an iPad and this thing and that thing, walking in with gold boots and all this. I'm like, bro, simmer down. You made 5 G's, like new money's crazy. Like, they get so just simmer down. You make $5,000 celebration. I mean, like, go get a manicure. Okay, so like celebration is go out to eat with your spouse. Like, chill out on it's not Hawaii vacation money. Okay, you do 100,000, then it's Hawaii vacation money. Not on the first deal. Okay, we got to build that thing up. And the biggest mistake people make is they get that new money, they get that thing, and they need to take that and reinvest it. Right, you got to replant back into the field. If you don't, in a few months, there's not going to be a harvest. Okay, you have to understand it's a super, super important lesson to learn.